Carl Pei from previously from OnePlus has launched his new venture, and
so many jokes.
It's been a lot of memes. I don't know if the memes have been on purpose. If you think about it, if you got people memeing the thing, at least they're talking about it.
Yeah.
He released a teaser video on Instagram announcing his new company, which is called Nothing.
Even easier when it's just like the thing before it.
Yeah.
And the one before that. But like all good things, this one starts from scratch.
Yeah.
No notes, no blueprints, no map to find our way.
Yeah.
We're rethinking everything, from what we make and how we make it, to what goes in and what goes out. A giant reset button for all things innovation. And so we go, confident that what's in reach isn't worth reaching for. We know, because we tried reaching a little further and came up with nothing.
So they reached a little further and came up with nothing. I mean, there's all this like poetry and stuff in there. The absence of something, nothing. They have nothing right now. There's been jokes about maybe it will be nothing. Is there some sort of a minimalist aesthetic or approach here where it's like around the idea of having less, not more? Mm-hmm. Or some kind of device or hardware that can assume the role of a variety of pieces of hardware that you currently own to achieve the same thing? Or is it just straight up trying to appear bigger or more interesting than you already are? Like as if you meet someone on the street and they're like, hey, my name's Will. What's yours? And the other person's like, my name's nothing. And you're like, whoa, and it's like, you have a Matrix moment of, whoa, is that actually your name?
That's how I sound?
Yeah, that's how you sound. What does these quotes say? Really looking forward to what nothing has to bring to the market. You know what else?
Yeah.
Maybe it's just a low pressure way of launching a kind of incubator or launching a kind of early stage thing that you will eventually pivot into something else. And by calling it nothing, in the meantime, it lets you, it takes the pressure off. I don't know. I'm just completely speculating right now. Anyway, he's got $7 million in funding from Tony Fadell, who's a former Apple, inventor of the iPod, former CEO of Nest, Kevin Lin, co-founder of Twitch, Steve Huffman, co-founder and CEO of Reddit, Josh Buckley, the CEO of Product Hunt, and Casey Neistat, fellow YouTuber, are all invested in this Nothing project. So he's got some names attached to it. We'll see what they're able to come up with, and if it is actually nothing. If nothing makes something, or nothing, which is something. You see, I'm playing along with the poetry.
Good luck, Carl.